What is that? Oh no! Dinosaur bird destruction. Scene clip from the Starfall Learning 80.
Evolved into the creatures we see today. Anyways, first off, we're gonna do behave. Behave. We're gonna call them dinosaur birds. The dinosaur birds are behaving. We're gonna add the prefix miss. Misbehave. Oh no! Hey! Stop it! Hey! Oh no! Ah! David knocked down the word misbehave.
Alright everyone, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. More videos coming soon. Goodbye!